Today guys, I show you how to fix Roblox Error 280. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, first you need to do, just press Windows button and type like me local app data. Just like this, and you will see this folder. Just open it and find here Roblox like me. If you find this folder, open it and delete this all. After you do this, the second step is to check your date and year. Make sure your year is correctly. If not, change it fast. After that, press Windows button and type like me %tmp% and open this folder and delete this all. When you do this like me, just open Control Panel, move here to Programs and Features and just find Roblox like me. And you will see a Roblox player, just uninstall this and Roblox Studio 2. When you set this all, open your browser and type here download Roblox and open this first site and go here download Windows app, click on it, save your installation and install Roblox again. Go here run and wait for installing Roblox. When you install Roblox, you will see this new window, just sign in on your account. And that's it all guys for this video, how to fix Roblox Error 280. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and type me in comments if you have any issues. I also will make a new video for mobile version. Thank you for watching and bye guys.